one of Mauritians' favorite street food, Gateaux pima. In a bowl, add yellow split peas, wash it and let soak overnight, or minimum 3 hours. Drain the dal and put it in a blender. Blend until the peas are a coarse paste. To get crispy gateaux pima, the paste should be grainy. Add the dal in a large bowl and add diced onions, chopped green onions, coriander, chopped chili, salt, black pepper, turmeric powder, and dried chilies. Mix until well combined. Heat oil on medium flame. Make small balls and fry them until golden color. Remove and place them on kitchen paper to absorb the excess oil. Gateaux pima is ready. It was so delicious. Stay tuned for more recipes.